Cleaning the trash can is not the most glamorous of tasks, but it's important to consider every area of your home when you're spring cleaning. Think about how often you use it and what goes in there. It's gonna get dirty and smelly after a while, so you definitely don't want to miss this on your clean home mission. Let's start with the obvious. Take out the trash and recycling before you begin. Then, if your trash can has removable bins, pull those out for a scrub. Plastic can absorb odor, so cleaning the inside of your trash can regularly is a good way to keep things smelling fresh. Then, while your bins are getting some air, you can tackle the tracks and grooves of your can. Dirt and grime love to gather in these nooks and crannies, so I find it helpful to use a tile and grout brush to really get in there, because the curved head makes it a lot easier to clean those hard-to-reach areas. Then, you can clear any debris from inside the trash can itself, and wipe down the inside too. Replace the inner trash bins, and then wipe down the exterior of the trash can. I like to use a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. Finally, don't forget to clean the floor under and around your trash can. In your usual weekly cleaning routine, you might mop around clunky objects like a trash can, but since this is our annual spring cleaning, let's do a thorough job. And that's it. Deep cleaning the high-traffic helpers in your home will always be worth it.